One-man team ka ba? Do we really need to do it all? Lagi ko yan narinig from business owners lalo na from couplepreneurs. Anak, one of the hardest lessons for entrepreneurs is letting go. Kasi ang feeling nila, if they don't do everything, the business will fail. Tulad ni Emma tsaka si James, a husband and wife team who own a Japanese kitchenware business. Meron na silang dalawang helpers, one for packing and the other one for the deliveries. Pero kahit na may kasama, Emma still insisted on checking every single order. Habang si James naman, siya pa rin ang kumukuha ng lahat ng product photos at nag-upload sa website. So from morning to midnight, pagod pa rin sila. Until there came a time when a regular customer complained. Sabi niya, late na dumating yung order ko. Sayang, sana gift ito. Ang katotohanan, hindi kasalanan ng helpers. Yung delay nangyari dahil si Emma wanted to recheck every detail herself. That's when they realized, if we keep on holding to everything, mapapagod lang talaga kami. And we're not allowing our helpers to grow. So, they made a shift. Emma trained one helper to handle packing from start to finish, trusting her with clear checklists. Si James naman outsourced photo editing to a freelancer para makapag-focus siya sa sourcing ng bagong designs. They also hired a part-time VA for social media. Siyempre sa umpisa, may kaba dahil baka hindi perfect. But with clear instructions and feedback, the system worked better than before. And soon, they had time for bigger moves, building partnerships, improving branding, and strengthening customer relationships. Sales grew, stress went down, and their team felt more empowered. So, ano ang lesson? Anak, delegation is not giving up, it is leveling up. Hindi mo kailangang gawin ang lahat ng bagay. Let your team grow with you and focus on what moves the business forward. I hope you'll be able to be business-minded, Pinoy.